Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you. It is Tuesday, the 19th of March. We had a very good day today. I needed a day like this. All green on the PAs. Every one of these accounts is in profit. We had a very good day again on our take profit account now that we've gotten serious about it. Kind of stupid that I have to kind of rein myself in to actually make some profits on that account, but we had a good day on it. Passed another eval, so tomorrow we'll be up to 8, trying to get back to that 10 number. So that was great. The only bad part of today was this second PA or second eval that I bought and got a little aggressive with it this afternoon and ended up with a $1,000 loss, $1,100 loss, which is no big deal. We can probably recover that and still get it across the finish line. But I was very happy with the way I executed my plan today, and that's why I'm showing the 15-minute chart here. I do want to kind of walk through what my mentality was today. So here we see the last couple of days, Friday of last week, and we see yesterday, and then we see today. So this morning I was looking at this previous low. This was the low from Monday, around the 235 area, 230, yeah, that area. And then here we have the low from this 160 is the low from last Thursday. So this was an interesting level, as overnight we were below yesterday's low and we bumped it and rejected. And then as we got into this morning session, we fell below the couple day low from the 160 area. And so my thought process was that if we reject off of this at the open, we may have a major red day, possibly going down to this low from a couple days ago here in the 18,000 area. So that was my idea, and I thought, well, as long as we stay below this, I'm going to be shorting. And then if we go above this 160 level, then we'll see how we go through this area here, which seemed to be kind of an area of some consolidation. If you look left a little further even, but yeah, that's how the day we kind of did this in the morning session, and then we did squeeze higher and ended at high of day today. So looking into tomorrow, depending on what this overnight does, if we bounce off this low from yesterday, this thing could turn into more of a bullish day tomorrow. If this falls below, we could be right back in the same situation. So we'll see what the overnight does. But looking at our daily, we're bouncing right back into this 18,200 to 270 area. We're right back here in this range we've been in for close to 3 weeks now. Well, this has kind of been the low outside of the last couple of days, but we rebounded today. And we have this long wick signifying that we might continue to move higher. Now, who knows? It is NQ, and it can do whatever it wants, and it does whatever it wants. Well, let's dive into today. I want to just show a couple of my trades. I didn't trade that much today. I had a very solid, well-executed plan. I did trade the pre-market as we saw this dip falling below this, what was that, Friday's low, I believe. But here we had kind of like a mini bear flags forming. A move down, kind of a squeeze back up, another big move down, squeeze back up, move down. And when I saw this and we fell below here, I'm like, I'm getting in on the next move up. Entered short, nice winner, done. That was account 21. Now moving to account 22, PA 22, here, short. Those were all just little shorts. And then on the open, not on the open, but after the opening session here, about 5 minutes in, I took the short at the bottom for a $305 winner on account 22. Now moving to account 29. Same thing, and this is one I wanted to talk about because I had one loser with account 29. I think in this morning session I had 15 out of 16 trades were winners, and I only took one long trade, and that was on, it might have just been an eval trade. Maybe it was on take profit, I forget, but somewhere over here. But anyway, let's go back here. Here I actually bought this short 3 times. We had this opening 2-minute candle, And then I bought this candle once, twice, and then 3 times. On the 3rd time, and that's probably, I'm still okay with the buy, but my stop loss was so tight that this wick got me. But basically I would buy it, my trailing stop would go down and stop me out eventually here, as this market was doing its early morning thing. And I just kept buying it because I really felt strongly that this thing was going to move down. And even on this one loss, I was correct. I should have had my stop way up here, but anyway, it is what it is. Or just wait and buy it at the top here. But then I finished out that trade here with a $120 winner and a $330 winner to wrap out account 29. So just very well executed. I really like how I had kind of set my strategy and I followed it, and I really did a good job of that, and that's a win for me. And then on the near-death accounts, 18, 19, 27, and 28, we had a really good run there. That was on the MNQ. I traded those in that session as well. I really caught this move up through here. Had a couple little wins here, several wins. I mean, obviously it's trading micros. And then on the 27 and 28 accounts, I just took a couple of trades. Again, I had a nice little short trade here, and then I rounded it out up here at the top with a couple of trades. So, nothing. This was really the biggest one. I went long here, $50 winner, right as we crossed through this low of a couple days ago. And just this move was just so beautiful. It was almost a no risk go long and you're going to be good. So and again, this was after we had see this in the morning session. We fell short of this in the pre-market. We fell below this 160 level, bounced at the open, bounced again, and again, and then we finally crossed over. When we crossed over, that's where I took that long. So I didn't trade at all during this session here. Just I'd made my money. I liked what I had done, and I just was going to wait. And I'm glad I did. I had a $10, $12 winner on these accounts, and then as we got up in here, I took that long and kind of wrapped that out. So yeah, just well executed. I was pretty happy with how that played out. Also, of note, a change, I did go back to TradeZella. I just feel like this is a little bit better of a presentation style than the TradeMetria dashboard. And again, I'm lumping all of my PAs together, and I'm no longer tracking evals in my journaling software. So I just felt like this was a better presentation. I used to use TradeZella, and I just decided to go back to it, but this has $6,000 of withdrawals are still incorporated into this P&L. It did not take those out, but we can see the full effects of where we're going. We've had have a green week again on PAs. Had a small loser on yesterday, and then a nice winning day today, 1172. So we're back up there, and hopefully we can take this move higher and continue down this path. I did notice something on PA21. This is one of the accounts I took a payout on. On this one here, I have not had a losing day. 100% win rate wins. So I wish I could do that with every account. That's pretty awesome to have 12 winning days, back to back to back. But in any case, I like this. Just going back to this TradeZella software, I just like the presentation. Maybe I'm smoking something, but I do like it. Everything's here. It's easy to see. It's easy to read, and it's easy to show for you guys. So, in any case, also I had someone ask me about my payout goals for the year, and I have been thinking about that, but not in detail. So I did set a goal. So now I've put it out there. So we'll see if I can get there. I don't know. I've been trading for about a year now. So. But we've gotten 10,000 in payouts so far this year, and we're setting a goal of 80,000. So we need 70,000 for the rest of the year. So we shall see. We're definitely on track with the 3 accounts, 21, 22, and 29. Today was the first day back of trading these accounts after we had our payout approved. 243 and 354 winners today, so that felt very good. And looking at what we needed today on those accounts, these are the 3 that we're trying to take to an April 1st payout. This is actually set for April 2nd so that I have 10 trading days, but we needed 207 and 206. We obviously had 243 and 254, so great start there. And on PA 29, which we've had 100% wins, 220 is what we needed, and we had 310. So great start to those 3. So if I can just keep that train running, we should be able to hit the $6,000 goal here for the first part of April for the next payout cycle. I bumped the rest of these out to April 15th, and even that may need to bump out more unless I can put together some winning days on these near-death, these 4 near-death PAs. So yeah, yesterday was a bit demoralizing as I had that pretty much $100 losses across those 4. So we kind of gave back all the gains that we had, and today we made back a good bit of that. So hopefully tomorrow we can have some good winners with micros and get it back up. I think once I hit 400 in drawdown, I'm going to switch to a mini, at least one trade, and see if we can get a winner. But in any case, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with today. We had just a very good day. I'm very pleased with just my discipline on this take profit account. Like I had said yesterday, I just looked at that and said, you need to trade for 5 days. We need to get to 53,000, so we need to make 3,000 in profit. And 5 days at 600 gets us there. Yesterday we had over 600. Today we had almost 600. And I just said, you know what? I'm done. I'm good. We're there. We're at 1260 in profit. So day 1, day 2, see if we can continue that trend and get that account across the finish line and start trading a take profit funded account. That's going to be a big goal. And obviously, I have a bunch of Apex 50K accounts that are going to rebill towards the end of this week. But what I'm doing right now is I bought this one yesterday, passed it today, bought this one today. Obviously had a loser on it, but I'll work on that account tomorrow. I'm going to take these one at a time. And as the new accounts rebill, I think I'm going to just take them one at a time, go back to 10 funded accounts. And then after that, I may, if I pass some more, I may just kind of hold them in case I lose some accounts. Then I can replace them and manage 10 PAs instead of managing 15 like I had a couple of weeks ago. I just think in my trading journey, I'm better off to manage 10 and get used to trading them and doing well with them, and then start adding from there. So anyway, I need to be quiet. I've rambled enough, but once again, I just want to say thank you to those of you guys that are using my codes BCT with Take Profit, getting you the best deal with them. As always, they have a nice 50% off and 50% off Pro Reset, so that's a great deal with Take Profit. And then once again, Apex, their 80% off is running through next Wednesday, I believe it is. 50% resets and the 1-day pass. We obviously took 2 days here, but we still get that account, which is awesome. So, but yeah, thank you very much, those of you that are using my codes. It does help me out, and I certainly do appreciate it. Appreciate the interaction with you guys. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. I do my best to bring you these every single day. So good luck tomorrow. Tomorrow is FOMC day, I think. Is it tomorrow? I thought so. Yep, FOMC at 2 o'clock tomorrow. So we'll have a wild afternoon. I am sure we'll have a wild afternoon. So good luck, trade well. I'll do my best to continue with another green day and bring you an update tomorrow afternoon.